All right, there we have it. I popped that piece of duct off right there, took it down to the ground, cut the hole, did the tap. As you can see, there's a decent amount of air coming out of there. I need to seal around that real quick. And there's that one going to that run, and that one over there is going to the other run. Much better. Now there will be drywall buttoned up to this and no unsightly pipes. Just the ugly trunk line. All right. I'm gonna seal that elbow. By the way, this is called duct butter. Duct mate duct sealer. Comes in a bucket. Fiber reinforced. Hell yeah, I'm happy with that. And that run's gonna go about to where that light is, and then 90 down, and then have a diffuser in the ceiling. And there we go. Bob's your uncle. Robert's your mother's brother. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Where those 90s ended up right in the center of those joist bays. So that's that. Almost ready for sheetrock.